In this video, I will walk you through a detailed Calminity frequency generator review by comparing its biohealing technology against traditional wellness methods. When you look at this device, the standout feature is the shift from masking symptoms to restoring natural balance. Most recovery options rely on digital recordings or chemical interventions, but Calminity uses real frequencies and pure sine waves. This creates a clear contrast between temporary relief and a system designed to help the body heal itself. For anyone tired of supplements, the drug-free relief offered here is a major trade-off in favor of long-term health. The Calminity biohealing frequency generator arrives as a comprehensive kit that offers significantly more value than its standalone price suggests. While the generator itself is the core of the system, it is bundled with anti-radiation earphones and a protective carrying case. A key differentiator highlighted in the material is the use of medical-grade components. Unlike cheap imitations that produce unstable waveforms, this device is engineered for precision. This is vital for use cases involving chronic pain or sleep issues, where a stable signal is required to sync with the body's resonant frequencies. For less than the cost of a daily coffee, this system provides a one-time investment without the burden of subscriptions or refills. It even includes a frequency healing guide booklet covering protocols for everything from brain fog to blood pressure. With a 60-day money-back guarantee and a high rating from over 50,000 customers, it stands out as a reliable choice for those seeking a natural solution. Thanks for watching this review, and make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into wellness tech. Have you tried frequency healing before? Let me know in the comments below.